Today, we are unboxing the latest book in our text context series of writings by Canadian artists. And it is, there it is, Tracings, Writing Art, 1975 to 2020 by Ian Carr-Harris. Now, Ian is one of Canada's most senior and respected artists. He's been based in Toronto for most of his career. He's won the Governor General's Award, he's been exhibited internationally, he's represented Canada at the Venice Biennale, and this is a collection of his essays, reviews, experimental projects, and various writings over the course of 4 decades, which documents, I would say, the emergence of contemporary art in Canada as a field even. And there's lots of discussion in here about institutions, about funding, about patronage, about the whole sort of infrastructure of Canadian art, as well as detailed discussions of important artists, starting with, the first review in the book from 1978 is of a show by American conceptual artist Joseph Kosuth. There's writing in here about Janet Cardiff and George Burris Miller, Liz Magor, and of course, a number of writings about Ian's own work and his practice as a curator, and also as a teacher and a former librarian. Ian's writings kind of track the emergence and the sort of growing importance of postmodernism and critical theory in the art scene, especially in the 80s, 90s, and 2000s. Ian is excellent at just reflecting on what's at stake in the writing of history, especially in a country like Canada and a city like Toronto. We're really delighted with the cover by Infoco, who also designed the sort of template for our text context series of artist writings. The interior is laid out by Gerrit Markvoort, who we often work with, and I feel like she came up with just a particularly clean and elegant look for this book that I love. Ian's work as a teacher and his sort of self-positioning as a writer really comes out in the sort of blackboard look, the handwriting, the typewriter font, which are all kind of echoed throughout the book in various ways. So once again, that was Tracings, Writing Art, 1975 to 2020 by Ian Carr-Harris. This book is available wherever books are sold and on our website, as well as an open access ebook on our Manifold platform at press.library.concordia.ca.